Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Ireland Mommy. My name is Kemisha Jackson.
Hey, me.
What is your name?
Mama.
This is Amari. He's my son. He's 2 years old. Thank you guys for tuning in to our channel. This is our introduction to what we'll be all about. So, one.
I'm jumping in the water.
You're jumping in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Which water?
Green water.
Okay, he's jumping in green water right now. Alright, so yeah, this is the intro to our channel. The channel will be mainly focused on mommy lifestyle, working mom, and the activities that I do with my son, and just our day-to-day lives. Alright, so we're living in Jamaica. That's a little island in the Caribbean. That's where we are. I'm 23 years old, and as I said before, he is, how old are you?
2.
He's 2 years old, so he just turned 2 in November. So yeah, so our content will be teaching him
Kicking football.
Huh?
Kicking football.
You're kicking football.
Kicking football.
Okay. So our content will be surrounded by
Here. Come me one.
car you want.
Yeah?
Alright, go off your cars and come back.
Where?
Inside the house.
Yeah.
Show the car.
This.
Oh, what color car is it?
Pink.
Green. You love the green car.
Yeah.
Alright, come over closer to me. Alright, yes, so I'll be focusing on he's gone. Alright, so it's a mommy vlog channel, so that's what we'll be doing, mother of one. So I was gonna say something else. Oh yeah, I've recently started looking into the Montessori approach, and I've been implementing that a little bit, gently working it in. I don't have my own space. If I did, I'd transform it totally into a Montessori environment, but I've been implementing a couple principles that I've been seeing, and just kind of going with that approach right now. So I'm going to see how that works out with him and his learning and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button, the notification button, so that you'll be notified as soon as we post any video. Oh, I'll be posting every week on Sundays, because that's the only day that I think I'll have to post, because I work regular 9 to 5, so I'm pretty busy. So I'm going to try to post once a week on Sundays, so you guys can stay tuned for our content. Until next Sunday, thank you, bye, and have a very, 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 very good 2019. Bye.